In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an e-signature in Google Docs. Whether you're sending important documents or just want to streamline your workflow, having the ability to sign documents digitally can be a huge time saver. So let's dive in and get started with the process. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to the Google website. Once you're there, head straight to the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll type in Google Docs. Hitting enter will bring up a list of search results, but we want to click on the link that leads directly to Google Docs. You'll easily recognize it because it mentions docs.google.com in the URL. Now that you're on the Google Docs homepage, you'll see the option to create a new document. Click on the option that says blank document to open a fresh page where we'll insert our e-signature. With the new document open, direct your attention to the taskbar at the top of the page. You'll see a section labeled Tools. This is where you'll find everything needed to enhance your document with various features. Click on Tools, and a drop-down menu appears. Within this menu, locate the e-signature option and click on it. Before we proceed, it's crucial to mention that access to the e-signature tool requires a subscription to a premium Google account. If you haven't subscribed yet, you'll need to do so to unlock this feature. Assuming you've taken care of the subscription, let's continue. Clicking on eSignature will open up a new interface where you can either draw or use a saved eSignature. This feature is incredibly user-friendly. For those who prefer drawing their signature, you can use your mouse or trackpad to sign directly onto your document. If you've saved a signature from a previous session, you can simply select and insert it into the document. The tool also allows you to resize and position your eSignature as desired on the page. Remember that the placement of your e-signature can lend a professional touch to your document, so make sure it's aligned correctly and looks aesthetically pleasing. Once you're satisfied with the placement, double-check your document to ensure everything appears as it should. Having your e-signature ready in Google Docs not only saves time, but also adds a professional touch to your digital documents. This feature is especially useful for business professionals or anyone handling contracts and official paperwork regularly. And there you have it. You've successfully created and added an e-signature in Google Docs, simplifying your document workflow. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time!